Iglesias. Oh, sola mi hola, señora. It is I, Pipicola. What's up, fool? What's up? What's happening? Today is a good day. We received our package from Torrance, California. Now, to all my Honda people, well, actually, you might read by the title. Yeah, I got my ECU in the mail today. Awesome, dude. Hola, señora. Hola, señora. Hola, señora. Hey, yeah. And you know it's a good day if I have my beard somewhat brushed and combed, but my hair moisturized. Yeah. I got some fire on the way as well. I'm just waiting on the shirts to get done with designing, but got some limited edition iced out stickers for y'all. Stay tuned, stay tuned. My ECU has finally delivered after what? 3 weeks, 4 weeks? I don't care to know how long it's been. I got it. And you know it's for realers when they send you a license plate frame cover thing, but whoa, hey, I've needed this before. Quick backstory on why I needed another ECU. Well, I sold my K-Pro because I thought something was gonna happen and it didn't happen, so I ended up having to go with another K-Pro. So yeah, now I'm back. Now, a month and a half later, here we have a K-Pro. Shout out to my BBs over at Hybrid for having the ECU that I needed in stock. So I copped that, and then I went ahead and did Honda through them. So, you know, I had to save me a couple blessings. Now I can give my boy Sean back his Honda, and I can run my own Honda again. Whoa, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Yo, baby. Before. But right now, Britt's on her way over so we can go to Randy's house and help fix her car because something happened, blah, blah, blah. Hey, look, it's all, if you're a female watching my videos, make sure your friends are somewhat mechanics. I ain't say I'm a mechanic. We're gonna say Randy's the mechanic. But just make sure you have a friend that's in the automotive field in case, you know what I mean? Just in case. You know what I mean? Just in case. So that is what's going on right now. I'm still babysitting. That's just my life. That's just my life. And Nami is still beautiful. Ooh. Bro, what? What? Sierra Leone? Modern Warfare 2? Let's go! At Randy Built House. Randy Built. That's all Randy does, bro. That's all he does. He's gay, bro. How am I gay? How does that make me gay?
I guess you're gay for everything.
Yeah.
Just
oh.
Showing off. Zosh.
Gang. MFG. So this is what ZNR's body shop is doing today. You know, we make splitters, now we do body work. So you know what I mean?
I go to the best of the best only.
That's it. Why go with another when you can go with a brother? You feel me? You know what I mean? Hey, look. This is what we do out here. Shit. Randy got the 2x4. ZNR back in business, doing the best we can, baby.
Oh God, I'm moving out the way for this one. I can't watch.
You scared? Never be scared, bro. ZNR, we do this for a living. See, I gotta go to Snake Road to get a door. All right, what you want me to do, bro? Right on top of it.
Percy and Randy, live in action.
ZNR, baby.
Oh God.
Man, that was easy.
It's done?
It looked like it. Only thing we gotta do is hammer that, like, to make that look better. Yeah.
Make it look better?
Man, look, bro. I got the lumber and I got the pipe. You feel me? We get you right. Yo, that should be our slogan. That boy
What about the wood that does you good?
Ooh. The wood that does the body good. You feel me?
Randy's just done with your bullshit.
Nah, man.
Put that behind, like right there. The one I hit. Keep it. Hold it towards the right.
That bit look good, bro.
Probably the best we can do, honestly.
Bro, that look fresh.
Looks way better.
Put it back again.
Hell yeah. Guys, don't get a Subaru. It's not worth it.
Yeah, these shits are garbage.
What's your finger?
If you're gonna get a Subaru, get like a WRX or something. But then those motors go when you throw a tune
Outbacks are
on.
nice too.
This is an Outback.
No, it's a cross track.
Cross track.
Oh, never mind.
I'll be finna cross your track.
You see, Apple, what your uncle do for work is very unexplainable.
But you don't do shit for work.
Over here at Z&R Splitters, you understand how we make the bread. So when grandma be asking me for bread, I can give it to her while still complaining, cause I be broke. But see over here, it's what I do. Maybe you can follow my footsteps and be something great and powerful, like me.
Please don't. Don't follow his footsteps. Okay, there you go, fixed.
It's so nice, thanks.
Want me to glue it?
He said he brought his special glue that he used for his lettering.
It's glue the truth.
All right, let's see.
Oh, yeah, she broke the door too.
I told you. What'd I tell you, Percy?
Oh shit.
Yeah, but they ain't gonna.
I gotta hammer that because it's like kind of concave down there, so I'm just gonna probably bang right here.
Yeah, whatever he said. We're gonna do it. Oh shit.
I gotta figure out why my glue ain't coming out. You got.
The only job that he has.
I gotta get some cutters. It's like my glue is stuck. I don't like that. But this glue right here, the truth. Yeah. Rennie got dikes in there. I don't think she know what dikes is. It's a tool. It ain't like the gay women.
Grab the wood. You got the glue, nigga?
He's trying to get it out. Because that's his only job and he can't do it.
I know, right? I wonder if this is gonna have an issue.
All right.
That it came off?
No, I don't know if it'll hold.
Oh, it's gonna hold.
He said, I did that with my tire stickers and look, they don't come off. So
They
this
do
should
move
work.
it,
And then he
but-
also said, this is the glue you have to order. You can't buy from the stores. He said, that's how I know it's good.
That's what this dumbass nigga would say too.
This glue fresh. See what I'm saying? I'm going off track.
Again, just don't buy Subaru, guys. Don't do it.
Bro, shout out to Treadwear for this glue. I'm gonna have to hit them up. I need like another bottles of these.
This shit gonna fly off right on the highway.
I bet $300 this shit ain't gonna never fall off. Nigga, this glue is this industrial strength. They don't even sell this in stores. You gotta order this.
See, that's what he told me.
All right, put it on. Watch. You niggas trying to doubt me, bruh. Don't ever doubt Z. I'm Z&R. This nigga stupid.
And that's your best friend.
Apple, don't ever be like that,
Never
man.
fall off, bruh. Yeah.
Hold the top.
Face of concentration.
Yeah, that makes sure my glue hold. My name on this.
Who fix this shit? Percy.
Z. Z from Z&R Splitters. Now we do Z&R Bodywork.
For the Lolo.
For the low. Just pull up. What y'all charge? Just pull up, bro.
We'll let you know when you get here.
Yeah.
You gotta see the work first.
If you like it, then we you know. If you don't like it, then we ain't gonna charge you. Simple and clean. So I got the marvelous idea of throwing on my wheels on Randy's car. I'm gonna jack up the front end of my car, and then put one black one, one white one, and then see how that looks. It's gonna look fresh, dog. Look at that white, man. That white is ice. Yeah, I love the white. Then if I want to switch it up, got the black. I love both. I'm a fan of both. That's why I got one on one side, one on the other side. The white, that's money. That's money right there.
the white.
Yeah. The white pops. Black is like aggressive. White is like subtle. I like the white. Black man, like you're in go mode. What's up, Pops? Working? Yeah. And then RPF 1's on the thing.
We have the one over there ready.
Dang, I told you.
Don't sell crap.
There you go. See you later. Alrighty, it is the next day. We is on the way to the paint shop. Blake texted me this morning, bumper's ready for pickup. We're gonna pick that up, and then I gotta take my nephew, not my nephew, my cousin to the DMV to get his permit. And yeah, so, and I gotta fill in my Mac Miller tattoo today. Today's Mac Miller's birthday, so I figured I'll just fill him in now. You know what I mean? Get him filled in right there. What was supposed to be a video of K-Pro and all that stuff, but turned into a regular vlog. Oh, we pulling up in our rocket ship, pumpkin patch, Zoshi boy in the flesh, yeah. Bro, I've been at the paint shop more than I've been at anywhere. But it's here for pickup, and I see my old bumper already. Let's just pick up the new John, yeah, baby, yeah. Woo! Got the new bumper on, paint match is like, it's like 98%. And once it like the heat get to it and everything, I should be straight. But yeah, it looks goddamn, it looks good. It looks goddamn good. I'll show you guys once I get to a spot to do like a little cinematic and take some pictures for the gram. So I got home, I got the old grill on, and I got the Dept splitter on, and boy, dog. Look at the ice. See, this is the vision I have for the car. Black wheels, tire letters, Dept black accent on the splitter, vented carbon fiber bonnet, but I don't have the bonnet yet. But even with the white, it looks good and aggressive. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, I was gonna boost the RSX, but I'm not gonna do that anymore due to the fact that it's gonna cost me a shit ton of money that I don't have, and I think it would be financially irresponsible to dump like $5 grand into this car, knowing that I live here. And yeah, it just wouldn't be, it just wouldn't make sense for me to dump money into this thing when I still live here and have HOA and all that. So yeah, hope you guys understand. But if you guys were to buy merch, if I ever make merch. Okay, so I lied about doing the cinematic. I'm kind of sad. I need K-Pro for the RSX. I'm having a misfire issue due to me running the RBC manifold and plugs fouling out because of a lean condition since I've been RBC. I need a K-Pro V3, so if you got one for sale, let me know. Hey, princess. Hi. I'm trying to install, well, now I'm gonna put my K-Pro V4 into the car. Yeah, and I'm looking for the computer cord. Yeah. Can you help me find the computer cord? Okay. Okay, I have the update. Well, not update, but K-Pro is registered. Got the tune all loaded up. And I gotta crank my car like 5 times. Or 3 times. Okay, 4 times. There we go. The reason why I have to do that is because my car just does not like cold starts. It just don't start with E85. It just don't do it. Woo! We on the road with no gas. What else is new? What else is new? But it's okay because we're on our way to the gas station right now, and then we're gonna stop by Fred's house and unload his new motor. Fred is rich. When I tell you that Fred just bought a K28 motor. Fred living life. Goals, bro. Literal. Fred is goals AF. Goals.